How much is a new condo in the heart of downtown Toronto? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, I'm going to show a studio. The living room is optimized, no space is wasted, so the price is very attractive. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's take a look at the neighborhood. We are on Yonge Street. This building is pretty new. The Eaton Centre shopping mall is just behind those orange umbrellas. There is a theater on the other side. We are in a studio. Natural light is flowing inside this unit. The kitchen is on my left. For a single person, the size is good. The living room area is compact. The layout is becoming wider near the window. The bed is on the other side against the window. Curtains will go down for privacy during the evening. There is a closet. The layout is good, but putting a TV there would be a challenge. Instead of the white table, you could put a TV stand and use the black countertop as a dinner table. There is a stacked washer and dryer. The washroom is clean and very new. This is a compact studio in a wonderful location. This is Yonge Street. The view is not bad, as the closest building is at a good distance. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.